Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
It's all bright and colourful.
I thought it was brilliant, yeah. It was almost like magic. Yeah.
Everything's so colourful and just makes you want to smile the whole time.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'r cast yn dalentog iawn, a dwi'n meddwl os mae nhw eisiau gweld dawnswyr da, canu da ac actio da, dyn nhw ddod i weld y sioe yn bendant.
I think the music is outstanding.
Just really blew you away, yeah.
Mae rhaid I fi gyfadde, oedd e'n gymsyn arbennig.
Highlight's got to be the dancing, just the musical, the colours, everything about it, everything is absolutely fantastic, yeah.
You got into the part and you really enjoyed yourself, especially towards the end. The finales were very dramatic, exciting, and I really enjoyed the dancing. The troops are very good.
I love all of the songs, the music from the films.
Enjoyes i, ond yn drad yn tapio trwy'r amser.
Gotta go. You've got to go and see it. It's amazing.
Come see it because it's an opportunity you wouldn't want to miss.
Mary Poppins is amazing.
Tremendous.
Outstanding.
Colourful.
Magic.
Dewch I weld.
Really, really enjoyable.
It was just a brilliant night. Don't miss it. Don't miss it.
Amazing. And wow.